So welcome back again in my brain streaming. So today I'm going to show class progress. It's actually about the inventory system, and I just almost finished, and it's going to be great. And I will show you right here. Maybe about the other file. So let's see this file. Not the file. I think that's the finished one, and this is the key right here. That's about it. And last time I'm making I think that I just this previously in a few days ago, and just a few hours ago I just finished how to create the stack system on the inventory. Okay, let's see. Let's assume I just grabbed some items, so I press the U key right now, and you can see there is a stick with one amount of. If I press U, means I just grab something else in the world, then I just get a count as one added. It's over this stick. It is over the stick, so now it became 2. If I grab it, so it is actually the message system. If I grab it, send a message, and then the text on the icon of items itself. Now if I've hit once more, so I just max it into the 5 amount of the items to be stacked, and then if I press U again, or I grab into the inventory from my world, and I grab it, it will be the next slot icon. If I continue, it will be continue, goes and on and on. And this actually can be swapped. Actually, it is very powerful. I just make it very takes time to create it, just maybe a few hours, maybe 3 hours, and then the idea is coming up instantly whenever you just progressing. Even though there's still some sort of issues there, sometimes it doesn't work, and I just figure out. I just found out and solve this. So if I go in here, the items panel will be prioritized into the top left. If I grab again, it will be insert into the empty. So I can swap it, and this is very powerful. You can put this anywhere. I have to click it twice. It should be change the crosshair on my mouse cursor. Not crosshair, what am I saying? Always saying crosshair, it's actually mouse cursor. How to make this, and it's not quite complicated for a stack system, as long as you just make it step by step from the beginning, which is the empty slot, and then prioritize the empty slot, and then the swapping item slot, which is already filled in the item itself. So I can swap in here, I can swap in here, click once more, into the empty slot. This is will move into the prioritized at the top left for the list, some sort of list, but I make it very complicated on that one. Already saw it yesterday. So this idea is very rare. I mean, very complicated. If I'm creating from already started about 4 weeks ago, and I didn't finish this every day. I didn't work it out this every day. Sometimes I did just pass it one day, this is just one day, and the next day I'm going to fix this and solve the issues and just finish this and accomplish it. I think it's technically, it will be said as complete for inventory. I just added new icons, maybe like stone or health or potion, something like that. And let's see, this already just create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 icon, and it will be stacked as well, also for the arrows. As you can see, this is the image actually. And this works. This is the text for the text stacking items using the and use the text properties using the string, and this string actually connected into the game properties, and this game properties always copy the text on the string, so that's why it's always changed. Actually there's an amount of value on the both properties here. Okay, I think it's done. It's a good result on this progress, especially for the inventory, and nothing else that can compare into the others, which is already tried out how to create stack system and swapping the icons on the inventory. And that's pretty much it, and it's done. I'm not sure it's going to be sell this one, but however I can create a tutorial on it, but I'm not so good to create such as this progress. I mean, this right progress like this is supposed to be a little bit pricey because it's too good and it's too powerful. So I will show you all the result and let's play the game. So basically, I have to open up the menu for inventory first. I need to delete the debug properties. This for debug. Okay, debug is enough. So I will pop it. That's still blocking out the inventory. I have to remove that. Did one frame rate. Oh, sorry. Maybe I'm going to create a bit bigger. 120, 720. It's a little bigger. You can see it on the stream. No. Let's see the stream. I hope it doesn't see anything else. It's very big. Okay. I cannot drag into the windows, but there's spawning in. I'm going to add this once. A little bit more of the stick because it has stack system, so I'm going to duplicate. Let's create 6, maybe more. I don't want to create more, but that's too much to create. Just aim for the 6 to change the slot. We just limit into the stack system. Suppose for the wooden stick it's only 5. I have to increase it. Next time I will be increasing to maybe about 10 or 20. So just create 6 right now. Let's try 9. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, oh, I have to bring up my inventory first. So now how to exit is using the tilde key or the console key to exit the inventory menu. So maybe next time I'm going to make a proper toggle on the tab key. For now, tab because it has a pause scene on the first scene, because I need to pause the scene on the background. Yeah, otherwise the mouse cursor doesn't follow my mouse cursors, because the cursor is always follow the crosshair on the middle. If I didn't pause the first scene in, but however, it is actually hiding the menu, this display of the menu. So just not display and then make it hide. It actually still, the inventory scene actually still active in this right now, in this main scene. Okay, let's grab it, and 1, 2, 3. So you can see there's 3. If I'm moving it somewhere else, it doesn't matter, it will follow automatically by the searching collection. Grab, no, I think it's a 4. Come on, grab it, and then 5. Because I didn't show the triangle, that's for reference if the empty sub prioritizing entity was working or not. So I'm going to keep grabbing this. I think it's 2 now. And then the next stack. So the automatic in here. So let's assume the previous stack was already there. It didn't move in anywhere. Now grab it. Now it became 9 or 4. Total is 9. And that works, and I can swap it. That's kind of cool. Let's try once more. For now I have to select at the first time, because this is only test. So the first weapon which is picked will be the equipped weapons. So I'm going to grab the bows. If I press 1, it will be the bows. And then the next time I will be finish the arrows on the stacks, and I will be use these this way on the bottom here. There's a bar on the bottom right here. It will be a slot for a shortcut key. It will be about 10 keys from 1 into 9 and then 0. 0 is right around here. So I cannot see it because the color of the cursor is the same. Should change it, I guess. Not in here. Maybe not now. It's just simple. I'll grab the axe if I want. I have to bring up the inventory first. You can see there is a flicker in there. That is because I put the weapons into inventory and then instantly not visible. So you instantly hide from the scene. I still figure out how to create the Python script for entire layers to be hide. No, there's no such thing that's supported for the game engine to activate or deactivate layers. Okay, now I have the axe, the bows, I can solve it. Move in here, I can swap it, move it. Now let's grab the. So that's a glitch. Maybe because I press 1, I guess, or press R. stone. No, I didn't make it. I didn't create that box yet. Because there's a glitch, I mean a flicker is not a glitch. Depending on how fast the frame rate is. If the faster the frame rate, the glitch is less visible. It's actually for swimming. Okay, now grab 9 and prioritize the empty slot, which is the third slot in here. I can swap it. I can swap it with the weapon as well. So I can grab it anywhere I want. So if the less than 5 or the less than maxed amount of the inventory stack, each slot in a slot, and then it will follow into this one. So if I grab another stick, it will be fill this less than maxed amount of the slot, and then if this is maxed into the 5, will be spawn to the empty slot, maybe right here. Okay, that's pretty much it. The progress, I think, is technically done for inventory. I will improve it later. Very easy. I think that one I just added the rocks and then something else like potion, maybe health, maybe food. But I think food I have to create the animal first. I have to hunt the. I will create the hunting animal as usual, like deer or elk, or maybe bigger. And next animal, I think I still not finished for enemy design, like my Dracoraptor or dinosaur. Dragon look like dinosaur. And then I'm going to create the male character for the mage, and then maybe I will finish the survival. I'm thinking about survival. After I just finish the mage, I will add survival element, survival mechanics like crafting and then buildings and then hunting, of course. And all the items will be so much to do. And then this is going toward into the heavy design actually, and it's very difficult to finish. And not only difficult because I will too much stuff in it. Sometimes I'll just forget everything. And which progress I just done or maybe not done yet. I just miss it or ignore it. Jump into conclusion on the easier one sometimes. Sometimes the best to do is just using the easier one first, and then the second one is more complicated, and then the third one is more the issues or the problem they just not solved yet. And this is toward the heavy design. Heavy design is not quite I think not quite good for a single person to finish the job. It's not sufficient enough, whatever the time or anything else. So many things to be added and remember. Anyway, I just using my own style, so I will assume if someone just taking my works, I think it doesn't understand anything from it. You will be confused because everything is just remembered in my head, so anyone else will be not capable to doing that or to crack this entire progress which is just done. Anyway, I think I just make this very short stream today, not because I'm just tired, but I don't have any work for now. Maybe for maybe a couple of weeks or next weeks I will make a very long streaming, maybe more than 1 hour. Today I'm just less than 1 hour. And I think that's pretty much it. Inventory almost done. I think sometimes progress is just almost done. I just always think it's already done because it's easier to do next step. I always think it's already done, actually it's not. Okay, okay, see you next time. I think I don't have time to stream today, just very short stream. see you. I'm not sure it will be streaming for a very long time. Maybe just streaming for a short time. Not quite a long time, just like 2 days. Okay, see you next time.